So welcome to Module 10 of Power BI course. In this module, we have traveled through Module 1 and this is Module 10. In this module, the focus is on how to build a career as a Power BI specialist. It moves you from technical proficiency to professional excellence, okay? So, the future, they say, belongs to those who can turn data into decisions. So we'll look at advanced Power BI and building a career as a Power BI specialist. Okay. Now, this module will cover advanced features such as RLS, incremental refresh, and even security issues. We'll also cover performance optimization and advanced modeling. We'll also look at how to integrate with Excel, SQL, Azure, and Microsoft technologies. You also learn how to build a career as a Power BI specialist. You also learn how to obtain or get certifications, how to develop your portfolio, and prepare for interview. Okay. So by the end of this module, you will be able to design enterprise grade BI solutions, and pursue a career as a Power BI professional. The reality is that organizations need secure, scalable, and high-performing BI solutions. It's not just basic reports that organizations need. What they need is solutions that are high-performing. So that's why we look at advanced features, like role-level security and incremental refresh, enables enterprise deployment. And don't forget, technical skills alone are not enough. Career success requires certifications, portfolio, and interview preparation. So that's what this module is about. So let's talk about RLS. RLS simply means role level security. What is role level security? Role level security is a feature that restricts data access based on a user's assigned role. And so, different users viewing the same report see only the data that they are authorized to access. So that is the importance of role level security. How does it work? Now, let me give you the step-by-step process of how RLS, role level security, works. First, create security roles in Power BI desktop. Then you define your DAX. Okay, don't forget, what is DAX again? Data Analyst expression. So you define your DAX, filter expressions for each role. Maybe you want to talk about a particular region where you have different regions, north, south, east, west, and you want to focus on north. You filter it out. Okay. Then the third step is to test the roles using the view as feature. Okay. Now after that, you go to publish the report to Power BI service. Then you assign users or security groups to the appropriate roles. After that, in the final step, users can only view data permitted by their assigned role. You can see it. Now, you can apply this to a real world example. For instance, if a national retail company that have different regional managers, maybe you have North Region Manager, they also have South Region Manager, and they have executive team. You can design it in such a way that the North Region Manager can only view North Region sales data, while South Region Manager can only view South Region sales data. But for executive team, they can view data for all regions. You can see that. So you may ask, what are the benefits of role level security? One of it is that it simplifies report management. All right? It simplifies report management. Another benefit is that it protects sensitive and confidential data. It also helps to support compliance with security policies and also reduces the need for multiple report versions. Okay? So let's talk about incremental refresh. Okay? Incremental refresh is just a feature that improves data set update efficiency by refreshing only new or modified data. Okay, it refreshes only new or modified data, not reloading the entire data set. All right, now how does it work? First, historical data is loaded and stored in the data set. Then after that, date and time parameters define the refresh period. Can you see that? Then data set is partitioned into historical and recent data. Then during each scheduled refresh, only new or updated records are refreshed. Then previously loaded historical data remains unchanged. For instance, a company maintains 5 years of sales data. That's 60 months. First, the data load imports all 5 years once. Then daily schedule refreshes of only the last 30 days of transaction. You can schedule it to refresh the last 30 days instead of the whole 5 days. Or you can historical data from years 1 to 4 remains intact, never reloaded. Then what are the benefits of incremental refresh? It reduces data set refresh duration dramatically, and it helps to improve reports and dashboard performance. It also helps to optimize memory and computing resources, and also enables efficient handling of millions of records. So you can use incremental refresh in sales and transaction reporting. You can use it in inventory and supply chain analytics. You can also use it in enterprise data warehouse, and also in IoT and operational monitoring data. Now, let's look at Power BI security features. Power BI includes several built-in security mechanisms that protect data, control access, and ensure secure collaboration. The key security features you can find in a Power BI include user authentication, row-level security (RLS), role-based access control (RBAC), workspace permissions, data encryption, audit and activity logs. Then the security workflow is also there, from user sign in to authentication to role and permission verification to RLS data filtering and to secure report access and activity monitoring. Okay, so let's talk about performance optimization. Performance optimization applies techniques that improve the speed and responsiveness of Power BI reports, dashboards, and data models. Key optimization techniques include that you remove unnecessary columns and tables. If you don't need them, remove them. Then use star schema design and prepare measures over calculated columns. Simplify complex DAX calculations. Limit visuals per page. You can also reduce high cardinality columns, all right, and also enable incremental refresh. Now, there's what we call advanced data modeling. Advanced data modeling involves organizing and structuring data to maximize efficiency, accuracy, and maintainability. The key components of advanced modeling include the use of fact tables, dimension tables, relationship. Fact tables store measuring business data. Dimension tables store descriptive information. Then relationships, link tables using keys. Then there's what we call hierarchies. Hierarchies help to organize data for drill down. Then we have date table, which maintain a single dedicated date table. Okay, so you have to avoid importing unnecessary data. We look at that previously, and don't create overly complex relationships. Now, how do you integrate a Power BI with Excel, SQL, and Microsoft technologies? Power BI's greatest strength is in its ability to integrate seamlessly with a broader Microsoft ecosystem, enabling end-to-end BI solutions. Okay, so if you want to integrate with Microsoft Excel, first import data directly from Excel workbooks. You can also connect to Excel tables, worksheets, and data models. You can refresh Power BI reports automatically when Excel data changes. You can also export Power BI data back to Excel for further analysis. Now let's talk about how to integrate with SQL Server. Now, to integrate with SQL Server, you first connect to on-premises and cloud-based SQL Server databases. You use import mode or direct query for real-time access. Then you execute SQL queries to retrieve specific data sets. Okay. Then it supports large-scale enterprise reporting. Then how do you integrate with Microsoft Azure? Okay, Azure SQL database, you know, is a cloud hosted relational database, and the one of Synapse Analytics helps to enterprise data warehousing. Okay, then you can also integrate with other Microsoft tools like Microsoft Teams, Microsoft SharePoint, Power Apps, Power Automate, and Microsoft Dynamics 365. Microsoft Teams is a collaboration tool or platform, okay, where you can embed it within Teams channel. Okay, the Microsoft SharePoint, it can be embedded to share reports. Okay, then Power Apps, you can embed apps into reports for user interaction. When you combine data from multiple platforms into one reporting solution, that is the importance of integration. It helps to support real-time and cloud-based analytics and reduce manual data processing tasks. Now let's talk quickly about how to build a career as a Power BI specialist. Now, who is even a Power BI specialist? A Power BI specialist is a professional who designs, develops, and manages business intelligence solutions using Microsoft Power BI. He is specialized in transforming raw data into interactive reports and dashboards. So the key responsibilities of a Power BI specialist include connecting to and integrating multiple data sources, cleaning and transforming data using Power Query, building efficient data models and managing relationships. It also helps to create DAX measures, calculations, and KPIs. A Power BI specialist also design interactive reports and dashboards and implement data security and governance. Okay, it also helps to optimize report performance and also collaborate with other stakeholders on business requirements. Now, as a Power BI specialist, the technical skills that are required include understanding Power BI desktop and Power BI service, understanding Power Query editor for data preparation, data analysis expression DAX, data modeling and relationship management, and also understanding of SQL for querying database is also important. Microsoft Excel, of course, for data analysis, and basic understanding of cloud services. Then the soft skills that are required include critical, analytical and critical thinking, communication and data storytelling, teamwork and collaboration, then attention to detail and accuracy. All right. So job roles you can go for if you are specialized in Power BI can include you can be a Power BI developer, you can be a BI analyst, a business analyst, reporting specialist, data visualization specialist, and more. Okay. Now, how do you build your Power BI career? First, learn the fundamentals. You have to develop understanding of data analysis, database, Excel, and what have you. Then you master core Power BI skills. Then work on practical projects. Create real-world projects, maybe sales dashboard, financial analysis report, HR analysis, inventory management, and even customer segmentation. Then from there, you can build a professional portfolio. Then after that, go for professional certifications. Professional certifications help to validate expertise and improve career prospects with recognized Microsoft certification. Okay, so then you prepare for job interview. Then don't forget, you continue to learn. You stay updated with new Power BI features and emerging BI trends. This field evolves rapidly, and so you need to continue to learn. So to build career success, like I say, build strong foundations in SQL and data modeling, and always follow industry trends and always continue to improve. Okay, Power BI especially are in high demand across multiple industries, and there are a lot of opportunities for remote and international work, and they also pay them well, competitive salaries, and there's opportunity for career growth. Okay, so please, you can build your career as a Power BI specialist. Okay, now you have we have seen from here that you have now complete the full Power BI learning journey. We started from the foundational concepts, and now we have come to career development. There are a lot of things you have learned. Like I said, technical knowledge alone is not enough. Professional success requires practical experience, recognized certifications, a strong portfolio, and effective interview skills. When you combine these elements, it will position you as a credible, capable Power BI professional that is ready to deliver value in any organization. So you have to build your portfolio. You have to go and earn certificates, then update your LinkedIn and resume, then apply for roles. Then don't forget to keep learning. All right? Thank you.